Let's make my keto deep dish pizza. Okay, we're gonna start by whipping up 2 eggs. Then we're gonna take 2 cups of almond flour, a 1/4 cup of coconut flour, a tablespoon of baking powder, some pepper, and some Italian seasoning, and some salt. And we're gonna mix all that up. And now we're gonna take a quarter of a stick of butter and mix all that up with our hands, mix the egg in. Now we get a 1/4 cup of yogurt, throw that in there and mix it all up. Okay, now we throw it in the fridge for half an hour and it's ready to go into the tart pan. And you just push it out into a buttered pan like that. Okay, into a 365 oven for 20 minutes. And while that's happening, we're gonna get the sauce and the sausage ready. Now we're gonna do the onions and the mushrooms. Okay, take it out after 20 minutes and put some mozzarella on it. Let that melt for another 5 minutes in the oven and take it out again. Now we're gonna put the stuff on the pizza. Sauce, so delicious. Onions and mushrooms. Here goes the sausage. Don't skimp on the sausage. And some more cheese. Back in the oven for 15 minutes and voila! Oh my God, so delicious.